Hi class, it's Professor Christine Messier and I come to you here on Monday, March 19th. I wanted to go over what's happening over the next couple of weeks because you do have spring break coming up next week, but I want to make sure that you don't miss any deadlines for things. So let me go through this pretty quickly for you. This week you have both Chapter 5 and Chapter 6 of the textbook to read, and you need to participate in discussions this week. I'm not going to ask you to participate next week during spring break, so please make sure that you go to both discussion posts. There are two separate topics. And you do your first post on each topic by this Tuesday, March 20th, and that you reply to your classmates by this Thursday, March 22nd, again, on two separate topics. The next thing is you have quizzes. And obviously, you're going to have a quiz for Chapter 5 and a quiz for Chapter 6. Those are not due until you come back from spring break on that Monday, but if I were you, I wouldn't work over spring break. So as long as I'm going to be reading Chapter 5 and 6 this week, I'm going to go ahead and take the quizzes. So I strongly recommend you do the same thing while the content is fresh in your mind. But again, they're not due until the Monday you get back from spring break, but try to get them done this week. There is a written assignment. Now, this is our first written assignment, and the name of it is Procedural Memo. And if you click on the Assignments tab on the left of your course shell, and look for the topic Procedural Memo, you will see the assignment instructions and the assignment guidelines. In addition to them being written out, there's also a document that you can download that has the instructions and guidelines. There are also documents that is an example for you to see what your assignment should look like when it's completed. Again, that's not due until Monday the 2nd after spring break, but please make sure that you work on it. This way, if you have questions, I'll be more readily available to you this week. Please don't wait till the last minute, and remember there are no extensions. And lastly, just an overview of these next 2 weeks. This week, March 19th to the 26th, again, try to get those 2 chapter quizzes done. Get them done before you go on spring break, and absolutely you need to participate in the discussion topics this week. Then you have spring break next week, and when you come back Monday, April 2nd, that written assignment is due. Again, do not wait until the last minute. Try to get the questions to me this week, and that way you're ahead of the game. So I hope you have a great week and a fantastic spring break. And if you need anything else, just make sure you email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks. Bye-bye.